Hello and welcome, it's Valerie from DerScanner. So let's say you already pour a lot of attention into code security, the proverbial shift left, repository scanning, doing everything by the book, but eliminating vulnerabilities still feels like a never-ending race. Why is that? At DerScanner, we are convinced that quality code comes as a foundation for secure, maintainable, and reliable applications. And that is precisely why we're thrilled to announce a major update to DerScanner, bringing you a robust set of rules designed specifically to address quality of the code written in Delphi, Pascal, JavaScript, and TypeScript. Among other things, DerScanner's code quality highlights poor practices, legacy code, code duplicates, and overly complex functions and methods. This feature helps developers spot and fix these issues early on in the development lifecycle, improving readability, minimizing maintenance costs, and reducing the probability of introducing errors or even vulnerabilities into the codebase later in the lifecycle. By building on industry's best practices, DerScanner's code quality ensures that your code is not only functional, but also future-proof and easy to manage. So how does DerScanner's code quality analysis work? The baseline stays exactly the same as for your classic static analysis, so you just provide your source code either as a link to the repository or as an archive, and then your code quality can be run either alongside your classic static analysis for maximum coverage and for maximum results, or as a standalone feature for targeted quality checks. If your focus is currently on code quality, DerScanner provides you with visualized data with a breakdown by all of the criteria that goes into the assessment, such as the cyclomatic code complexity or the percentage of comments or code duplicates in the code base. And if you want to circle back to the vulnerabilities found during static analysis, you can do just that by simply switching the tab. This unified approach helps DerScanner bridge the gap between code security and code quality, so you don't have to compromise on any of them. Hopefully, this approach will make your code review sessions twice as efficient and your technical debt disappear twice as fast. And as always, a comprehensive list of all issues detected during the scan and actionable advice can be found on detailed results. DerScanner will collect for you all of the duplicate sections in the code, as well as suggest necessary revisions for clean and concise code. And that is basically everything I wanted to cover for today. So shift left, stay safe, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Bye.